Hello, good day, fellow students. My name is Akinolu Luko. We'll be doing a presentation today on content management systems. And today we'll be learning what content management system is all about. Firstly, what is content management system? Is a system for creating, managing, and optimizing your customers' digital experience, and it allows users to collaborate the creation, editing, and production of digital content like blogs and co without the need for any knowledge. That is, you don't really have to have the idea of how to build codes or how to write code from the scratch or know anything about coding at all. Content management systems is it's a platform whereby you have everything built down for you. Your HTML, your CSS, your JavaScript, everything has been laid down for you, and all you just need to face is the infrastructure. Let me put it in one code. The infrastructure stuff has been laid down for you, and you just need to follow. You just need to face the forward part of the management system. We'll do a how does a content management system works. I will do a small illustration for us on how a content management system is being run. An example that I use so much content management system that I use so much is WordPress.com. So there are different types. So there are two different types of WordPress.com, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Right. So I will use this as an example for us today. When you create your WordPress account, you can create a free account. There are some that you have to pay for, but along the line, if your work begins to get much and you need that much space, or you want to set it up on a big time basis, you will need to upgrade your account. Now, as we can see, this is the when you open your site, which is WordPress.com, and you are asked to log in or anything like that. So at first, this is the home page that it will take you to for you to see how things are, your plan, the eyesight, the design, the tools that you need to work with, and everything. But when it gets to working or doing setting up the whole system and to type in your information or to add your images and everything, all we just need to do is come into the WP admin here, and straight it takes me to the admin level, and here I'm able to add anything to start my post or to do all that I want on it. And starting a new post is quite easy. All we just have to do is click on the new post and we say add new. Right. When we say add new post, it brings us to this page, and we'll add a title. This is easy to do. All right. So as we do that, and when we are starting in, or let's say when we are starting a new post, it depends. When we are starting a new post, when we have the title page, then we want to add a media. Easily we click on add media. If you have any picture already uploaded, you have it there, but if not, you come to upload pictures, then you select your files or anything, your picture that you want to add to the post. But right now, let me just select file, or I come back to my media library and I select a picture. Then now at the right hand corner, we have some information regarding the pictures that we are going to use. We have the alternative text that we want for the image or the title. we can give it a caption, we can describe what the image is all about. Then the link that we got the picture from, if the images are not ours and you have to make reference to where you got the image from, you have to put a link here. And also in your description, you have to give credit to whatsoever person, to the photographer or whatsoever site that you are copying the image from. Now, then you select the kind of size that you want, either a thumbnail, medium, large, or full size image. And it all depends on what kind of image you want. But here I'll be selecting a medium, and all you just need to do is insert into post. We see right away the image is added into the post, and we type in our information. We type whatever. This is a blog post, or we can put a title anywhere we want it. Then we add our information or whatever material that we want to add into it. Picture of the lady sitting on a small rock, right? So when we do that, we have all that we need. We can save it and we can do a preview. When we do a preview, you can see, right, we have everything. You don't need to have any idea of how to write a code, to write HTML or CSS or anything. You just need to do all that, and voila, your site is up and coming. So as we have done the preview, and for you to get a link here, you get a permanent link of your site. All you just need to do is, when you open it, it's still the same thing that it will show to me, that okay, your site is about to be ready, this is what you have been doing, and things like that. Now, when we do that, for us to be able to have a full access to all the privileges of a content management system, you have to, like, if I'm going to launch this site now, it will ask me to pay for it, or what name. Yeah, this is it. You have to pay. You select a name that you want, that which will suit you, right? And the plans are there for you to for you to use. Now, this is a current free address. Then if I say skip purchase, it will ask me, okay, there's a plan for you to want me to what am I using the blog for? Is it personal, premium, business, or what, or e-commerce? Everything has been added down for me. All I just need to do is select whatsoever I want, and I'm okay with it, right? So the site is upcoming. And now back to the main site. Say you launch your site, and you'll be able to, here you see all what the the statistics for each blog post that you have done. Now, to tell you, okay, so number of views per day, and how many numbers of people, how did the site engage the people, and what are the other things that you have in there. Now, okay, I have a free plan site. Now the pages, right? I have different, I have done some other work here. So my post, what have I done so far? You will see all your number of posts. Then you see the media, whatever images that I've used, and also you will see the comments from whatsoever, from any particular blog that you have done. Then coming to the design also too, you can decide to design your background, and you have different kind of background to read, right? Whatsoever kind of background you want, everything has been provided for you. That is the work of a content management system. You don't need to have idea on how to write code, on where to place your CSS, your padding, your anything. All you just need is this, right? So then you come to your tools, right? Your plugins, right? What are the other things that you want to add to the site that will make it more faster, that will make it more interactive, and everything like that? Your forms of your content, how to export, how to download your content, and your marketing. How do you want to drive your traffic? How do you want to drive the traffic from this site? What are the things that, as you say, drive more traffic to your site with better SEO? Now, what are the things you would need to do? Having your social media links to it, creating a logo, and let customers upgrading your business. So you have everything compassed together in a particular site, in a particular platform, just for you to use. You don't need to have any idea of what coding is all about. That is what content management system is all about. Um that is a review of that. Now, what makes up a content management system? Just like I've explained earlier, on a technical level, it's made up of two cores. We have a CMA and a CDA. And the CMA is the part that allows you to actually add and manage your content on your site, like we have demonstration I have done. And the CDA, which is the content delivery application, the backend behind the scenes process that takes the content you input in the CMA, right? What is happening at the background, right? Which has already been done also too. There are different examples of popular content management system, which is known to each and every one of us. We have, just like I said earlier, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. We have Joomla, we have Drupal, WooCommerce, Blogger, Wix, Shopify, Ghost, Magento. They all serve a different purpose. They all have different plans that whatsoever thing that we need to do, we can do it on it. Now, what kind of website can you build with those content management system, right? You can build static website, blogs, e-commerce stores, forums, social network, anything that you want. You can set to build with your content management system. Each of the previous slide has platforms for whatsoever thing you need to do. All you just need to do is to select the one you want, and that is all. Lastly, how to build a content website with a content management system, right? The first thing you need to do is, when you want to build your own website with a CMS, the general process is, number one, you purchase a web hosting and a domain name that will be unique to you, something that is available and free, and you have to pay for that every year for just a small token, and install your content CMS of your choice on your web server. Configure the management system to dictate how the site will look and functions, and you start writing. This is what content management is all about. Thank you so much.